back everyone. So now in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can animate a character card. Here what we'll do is we'll bring characters to life with animation. So in this tutorial, in every video we are going to give a character a new life. So the very first step is we will have a name for our video. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the arrows. So animation with arrows. So we are going to work on animation with arrows. The next step is I'm going to delete this sprite. And now the next step will be I am going to choose one of the backdrops from the available options. So I'll go to the backdrops, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the animation in one of the sporty things. Fine. So when we'll go to the sports option, we'll have lots of options here. You can select any of the option of your choice. So here I would like to have something with basketball, so I'm selecting this. So this is a basketball court backdrop, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one of the characters. So for the characters I have to choose for the sprite. So it can be any character of your choice. It can be from people, or you can have anything which you love. So you can select the sports character too. So in the sports character, I am going to search for one of my favorite character. Let us take Ben. So we have Ben, and we have taken this backdrop. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the code for this. For the coding, we have these similar things. We are going to code for we want this character to move right, to move left, or he wants to move down or up for this basketball court. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have some of the code for my character. So the first is when we have to move to side, that is either to the left side or to the right side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select first of all a control event, and from this what I'm going to use is I'm going to take this. That is when a key should be pressed. So it's my choice whether I want to take a right arrow or a left arrow. So first of all I'll code for the right arrow, and then what I want to do is from this position, if I just move to this position, it will change its direction. So for this we are going to the motion part, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to change its location from this position to somewhere else. So this is my location where my character is. I'm going to change this with 10. Fine. So I'm going to change the location when someone click the right arrow key. So you can see that if I'm pressing the right arrow key, it is going forward with some length. Now what you have to do is you have to code for the left key also. So I'll repeat the step. I'll just duplicate this and I'll put it here. What I'll do is I'll select a left arrow, and now because in the right direction it is going to a positive way, for the left direction it has to come backward. So you have to type a negative number for going to the left direction, and now you can see that you can move right or left in this code. So this can be easily done when you want to have this character to be moved right or left. Here in the next thing is if I want my characters to go up or down. For that what I'm going to do is I'm going to again duplicate my code section. I'll put it here. I'll do what? I'll select a up arrow key, and now I have to change the direction by y coordinate. For up arrow key, I have to have the positive y, and for down arrow key, I have to select a negative minus 10. And now if I just go like this, so my character is moving up, down, right and left. So in the costume parts, I'm having few of the options for the costumes. So how you want your sprite to look like. So you can see that if you want your sprite to move like this, you can have this, but it cannot move with just one leg. So you can select a position of your choice like this. Fine. So from the costume part, you can select whatever costume you want to have for your character. In the next video, we are going to do a new animation with the character. Stay tuned for more fun.